Hi guys, welcome to again PySpark certification and interview question part 6. Thank you guys for like and subscribe to my channels. Very good morning everyone. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to check the notification on coming video. Also, I like inform you guys that we have launched a complete YouTube channel to complete course and certification and interview question related to PySpark. Agenda of this session, we have the cover PySpark shared variables. Basically, it is two types: broadcast variable and accumulators. And I have show live demo of shared variables. Prerequisite for this guys was to my previous video playlist from Seva Studies YouTube channels. First, broadcast variable. It is read-only share variables. Workers using efficient broadcast algorithm to reduce the communication cost. Basically, broadcast variable to reduce your communication cost. And broadcast variable are used to save copy data across the all node. Spark broadcast the common data reusable need by the task with each stage. Broadcast data is catching in serialize the format and deserialize before the execute task. Let's go to Google Colab for demo and explain how to work broadcast variable. First, we set up the Spark session. Pip install PySpark. It is 20 seconds. We have to install all the dependency and requirement package, that's it. And then create Spark session. It is same we have the explained in previous video also, that's it. Then part of the broadcast variable. Let's explain with example. When you use broadcast variable, let's assume getting a 2-letter country state code in a file. You wanted to transform it to full state name like UP, Uttar Pradesh, UK, Uttarakhand, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Need to such type of the data. Replace the UP, Uttar Pradesh, UK, Uttarakhand, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Such type of the requirements. By doing the lookup and reference mapping, the some instant of the data could be large. Sometimes it will be large data, such type of that. Instead of listing this information along with each table over the network, overhead and time consuming and communication cost, we can use the broadcast variable to the cache this lookup info on each machine and task use the cache info while execute in the transformation. PySpark broadcast variable is created using the broadcast methods. It is broadcast method. Of the Spark contents. Spark contents dot broadcast methods. You can create such type of the. If you not familiar with data frame, Spark session, Spark contains map function. Map function. I will recommend you to watch my previous video before to learn broadcast and accumulator variable. Data frame, create Spark dot create data frame. Data frame are the immutable, that means does not have deep copy. You can reuse them multiple times, and every operation new data frame will be created and original will be stay unmodified. And map basically used for the one to one relationship. Map is a RDD transformation that is a used to apply the transformation function lambda operation, and every elements in RDD data frame and return a new RDD. It is used to basically complex operation like adding the column, updating the column, transformation the data, and the output of the map transformation would be always have the same number record of the input. In this example, we have the first create a Spark contains dot broadcast variable, and you put up the data Arun India UP, Kavya India MP, Seva India UK, Tejas India UP. Then requirement is the in this project we have the find the UP, then put up the Uttar Pradesh. If find the MP, then put up Madhya Pradesh. You find UK, then Uttarakhand, UP, then Uttar Pradesh. Then column name is available, the name and country and state. First create a data frame, data, and then schema, call the all the column call to schema. Then print schema is the show the what type of the data type we have the show string this, and so df dot show the data frame Arun India UP, Kavya India MP, Seva India UK, Tejas India. Then again we create a function df state convert, pass the code, and return broadcast state dot value. We have the pass any value in code, then we have the convert in broadcast given. Then result df dot rdd dot map lambda operation x0 it return to first name column, and x1 return to country India, and we have the put up the state convert function and pass the value of the state in 0 1 0 1 2. There two columns, state column we have the pass to df to convert data frame, and then last operation result dot show, then show the output. That's it. You got the name, country, name Arun India Uttar Pradesh. You put up the UP, then you put up the Uttar Pradesh, MP, put up the Madhya Pradesh, and UK, then put up the Uttarakhand, UP, then again put up the Uttar Pradesh. It is the broadcast variable used. Next that is accumulator. Accumulator, that it is if you want to count number of the blanks lines in a text file or data, determine the amount of the corrupted data, then use accumulator is very helpful. Accumulator are the like a global variable in the Spark application. We can call the spark content dot accumulator. It is used to define accumulator variables. Let's go to demo parts. Then this operation we have the use add function. Add function, it is used to add and update the value in the accumulator. And then we have the use another function value. Value is property on the accumulator variable. It is used to reference of the value from the accumulator. And here we have the create on the accumulator variable dot accum using the spark context dot accumulator. Spark context dot accumulator. And the initial value put up the 0. Initial value put up 0. We are the iterating each element in the RDD using the for each. For iterator, iterate to each element, use for each. For each is loop action and adding the each element in RDD to accumulate variable. Finally, we are getting the accumulator value using the accum dot value. Then print accum dot value property. Implement, we have the in this accumulator that RDD dot for each. We have the create a function count and create a global variable accumulate, and then we have the add the for each loop, then add everyone step by step that, and print the value. And RDD to spark content dot plys, we have the pass value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the for each operation, add the count, and then output of the given that's it. For execute the worker, RDD dot for each is execute on the worker and accumulate value is called PySpark driver program. It is very huge to understanding the driver and workers how to work. Please watch to my previous video. I have explained I have explained each in detail. And then the operation of the put up the value 5 and 4, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 14, 15. We have the written the 15 value. And same thing we have the use for the accumulator is 45, that's in given chart. And this tracking the accumulator in UI can be useful for understanding the progress of running stage, although that is not yet supported in the Python. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and subscribe to my channel. We are good to exist our session. After watching the session, please provide your feedback. Write in comment box excellent and average. Again, thank you guys. Thank you everyone.